We are loading up for a almost 500-mile day. It's time to make the journey home. Got the bike loaded down. We brought an extra duffel bag just in case this happened. Turns out I still have a problem. That's full of just souvenirs. She's ready to go. So we're getting on the road. Grand Isle, Nebraska is where we're gonna lay our heads tonight. We have no options, so about 500 miles. We'll see you on the road. First gas stop of the day. Right here in Deadwood. I'm a little sad this is the last time we're gonna be here. So much fun. I'm a little bummed we're leaving, but we're gonna have a great day of riding. We're gonna get halfway home today. So we gotta fill up our tanks and put down some miles. We've stopped at a roadside attraction here outside of Alliance, Nebraska. It's called Carhenge, and this has got to be one of the coolest things I have seen. If you've ever been to Cadillac Ranch, this thing puts it to shame. Carhenge was actually opened in 1987. This has been here for a long time, guys. Check this out. I mean, it is wildly cool. It is erected in the exact formation of the actual Stonehenge, but done with cars. This is super neat. If you're wondering, this is a free roadside attraction. You just pull up and start exploring. This is totally cool. This here is called the spawning salmon. So cool. Check out the dinosaur. Here lie 3 bones of foreign cars. They served their purpose while Detroit slept. Now Detroit's awake and America's great. Painting and artwork is strictly prohibited on the cars, but that one white car right there is the autograph car. Anybody can come inside it. I'm assuming the ones with artwork on them were commissioned pieces because they are highly detailed and very cool. Look at that. Guys, if it's not far off your route, this was badass. I love cool roadside attractions, and this is one of the better ones I've stopped at. Alliance, Nebraska. Come through here and check out Carhenge, guys. We did roughly 470 miles, 7.5 hours on the bike today. Beautiful ride through Nebraska on the Sandhills Journey through Nebraska. 272 mile byway. Absolutely beautiful. Rolling sand hills, wildlife everywhere. But it was a long day, very long. 272 miles on the same road gets extremely monotonous. And target fixation and zoning out is a real thing, and I had a very close call today. I'm not proud of it, and it scared the absolute hell out of me. Just remember, you got to stay alert at all times. It can happen fast, and it happened for me that way today, and I almost died. Just want everyone to be careful out there. I'm going to get up bright and early, and we're going to finish the last 500 miles home so I can see my family. We're leaving the Comfort Inn here in Grand Island, Nebraska this morning. We got roughly 500 miles to get back to the house today. We're trying to get out early this morning ahead of the storms. It's supposed to be storming all day out here, so wish us luck, cross your fingers. It's time to head home. Well, because of the storms, we've altered our last day's itinerary. Instead of going through the Sandhills Scenic Byway, we have found a route that includes much less rain and a new Harley dealership, Frontier Harley Davidson of Lincoln, Nebraska. Head in here, check this out. We're gonna get back on the road. Another Harley store in the books. If you're ever in the neighborhood of Lincoln, Nebraska, they've got one of the coolest Harley stores I've been in. Their building is freaking awesome. Upstairs, downstairs, cool old woodwork inside, old cars inside. It was a good one. We're getting back on the road. 60 outside of Kansas City. Just had us some rollers, got us a fresh drink, more sunscreen because that's not helping at all. And we're about to hit the last stretch to get home. I know it's going to sound crazy, but one of my favorite parts about these trips is coming home to see my family. And I'm almost there. Love you. Missed you. Just got home, had roughly 48.5 hours in the seat, 2,630 miles. It was one hell of a trip. I'm excited to be home with my family. I'm gonna get unpacked. We'll see y'all next time.